Okay, again, this is one of those CPA exam favorites. It's an oldie but a goodie. Here you had a fire, sometimes you have a flood, sometimes you have a tornado. You have all kinds of tragedies on the CPA exam, not including your scores. Anyhow, in this particular case, they had a fire at an ice cream shop. And it had to have been indeed a sticky situation. So with any of these, I know right away that if my gross profit is 20%, my cost of good ratio is 80%. Same with here 65 and here 65. So I know I'm going to need the cost of goods sold, so I might as well go in and do that to begin with. So I look at my cost of goods sold, let's see, 80% of 205, 0.8 times 205, 0.08, oops, sorry, 0.08 times 205, 164, so 164,000, and then I have 0.65 times 56,000, and that's 0.65 times 56000, 36,400, and 0.65 again times 2010, 0.65 times 20100, 1365. So I have my cost of goods sold. So I need to figure out the amount of the ending inventory. So for fruit toppings, I'm going to take 21,000, my beginning inventory, plus my purchases, 155, that's beginning inventory, plus purchases, total goods available, 176, goods, estimated cost of goods sold, 164, the value of the ending inventory, $12,000, ending inventory. You've done that about a kabillion times since you decided you were an accounting major. Let's do the same for marshmallow. We have our beginning inventory, 7,100. We have our cost of goods sold, or we have our purchases, of 37. That gives me total goods available, 44,100. Total goods, beginning inventory, purchases. Then I have my cost of goods sold that we figured out, minus 36,400. So my ending inventory, 7,700. And we'll do the same thing for chocolate toppings. So we're going to take our, what do we have for beginning inventory, 3,100. And we're going to add our purchases of 12,100. And that gives us a total of 15,200. Minus our estimated cost of goods sold of 1365. 2135 is our ending inventory. So when you see these, you have to know right away to go through and figure out the cost of goods sold. And it's always easier to just take the reciprocal of that. The reciprocal of 20% is 80%, so take 80%, and then you're computing the cost of goods sold directly. You could take the 20% and then subtract it. You come the same number. But why do two steps when you can do one? Very common.